Hello, where are you?
Hello! I am on the road.
What are you doing there?
I am waiting for the bus.
Did you get the bus?
No, I am still waiting.
Oh no. Please hurry up.
I will try my best.
The weather is not good.
Yes, it is cloudy.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining now.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, I forgot.
That is not good.
I am getting wet.
Come home soon.
I am trying.
Is the bus coming?
Yes, I see a bus.
Oh, get on quickly, dear. Let's go and see it together, shall we?
I am getting on now.
Did you find a seat?
Yes, I got a seat.
I am waiting for you. I miss you so much. Come back early.
I will come soon.
Dear, be careful on the road.
I am watching the road.
I hear thunder.
Yes, the weather is bad.
Are you near home?
Yes, I am close now.
I am opening the door.
I am getting down from the bus.
Come quickly!
I am walking fast.
You are wet.
Yes, I got wet in the rain.
Change your clothes.
I am going to change.
I am bringing a towel.
Thank you so much.